Oh, wow. So your manager got a job. She's leaving
Yeah,
the company and she's like,
yeah.
hey, you need to call Colaberry so you can leave too.
Yes, that is how we. And today only we were talking, and I was like, she was like, "How are you feeling?" I was telling her, "Hey, I am feeling like a fish in the ocean." So she was like, "But I am feeling like a shark in the ocean now."
You just got
Yes,
placed. How long has it been? And have you started your job yet?
yes, I have started my job. I joined Colaberry last year, so
Okay.
now I'm with a job. So I got the job already.
So what type of job are you in right now? And how long you been
I'm
working there?
okay. I'm a Power BI developer there, and I started July, I think July 6th.
Tell us what your day to day is like. What is it like being a Power BI developer?
It's quite good and challenging because every time you work with the data, you are learning something new. And trust me, whenever you are joining this data analytic, every day you are learning something new. So we are together as a group. We are working on the creating the reports. So basically, we are migrating the old system to the new system. So we are creating a lot of tables, doing a lot of joins, doing a lot of merge, and we are creating a lot of reports for the company.
So you feel pretty comfortable in your 2 weeks onto this job? Like how comfortable are you feeling? You still scared?
I was a little scared first week, honestly, but I feel like one thing, Collaborate taught me everything. It's just in the back of my mind. I need to put it in a proper way and use it. So the scare was, oh, I am in the new job. That was the fear for 1 week. Now I'm getting out of that fear, and I started working towards what I know already, what you all taught me. So I'm just focusing on that now. So it's going pretty good.
So tell us, what did you do before Colaberry? What was your profession?
I have done my MBA in human resource and finance in India, and I was in HR in India, back in India. Then I came to USA, and then I was not working for like pretty 7 years. Then I started doing the job as a team leader for the customer service. It was a hard job, honestly. But then I heard about Colaberry. One of my friends said, the person who was my manager in that company, she recommended me Colaberry, and that was the best decision I made, honestly, after coming
Hold
to
on.
US. So
So while you were in customer service, your manager in that
yeah,
job?
she also studied in Colaberry, so she got a job. She
Oh, wow. So your manager got a job. She's leaving
Yeah,
the company and she's like, hey,
yeah.
you need to call Colaberry so you can leave too.
Yes, that is how we. And today only we were talking, and I was like, she was like, "How are you feeling?" I was telling her, "Hey, I am feeling like a fish in the ocean." So she was like, "But I am feeling like a shark in the ocean now because she is working for a year, so she feels more confident." So it's just like you are learning and you are growing. It's pretty good. I feel very good.
So she's doing well at her job, you doing well at your job. It looked like you
Yes,
guys accomplished what you set out to accomplish, right?
yes, we did. It was pretty nice experience.
Awesome. Well, thank you for coming and sharing that story with us. That is very, very powerful, right? You guys are in customer service. You got your manager, you got the employee. The manager decides to take that leap. She tells the employee, both of y'all now working in the field. You feel like a
Yeah,
little guppy. She feels like a shark. You gonna get to your
yeah,
shark status pretty soon, though.
yeah. I'm
You're only
waiting for
two
that,
weeks
Ali.
in. You're only 2 weeks in, right?
Yeah, in fact, it is very good. I mean, honestly, Ali, if I want to tell everyone who is here, just trust the process and dedication is very important because I literally quit watching TV for 9 months and I hate that. But I was like, no TV, no nothing. The all the time I was thinking about study, and it really helped me a lot.
Awesome. Well, we appreciate you telling that story and taking a few minutes to come by and update us on your status. And we
Sure.
definitely wish you continued success. So thank you very
Thank
much.
you. Thank you,
All
Ali.
right.